Hello viewers, welcome to Home Cooking with me Hema Subramanian. Today's recipe is roasted makhana. Now these makhana seeds are actually called foxnuts or lotus seeds, and you can normally find them in any grocery store. So that's what I'm going to show you today. Let's get started and see how this is made. So take a wide pan, add 1 tablespoon of butter. To this I'm going to add 50 grams of makhana. Roast it for about 10 minutes on medium flame. Now that we've roasted the makhana to a nice golden brown color, turn off the stove. Next I'm going to season it with some salt, a teaspoon of chili powder, quarter teaspoon turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of chaat masala. Now if you do want to add a little butter in the end, you can add just a little butter, very little. These roasted makhana seeds are actually very nutritious and it's a very quick and healthy snack for you if you're opting to eat something healthy. So do try this and enjoy this simple snack. You can get a copy of our first edition of the home cooking book on Amazon and 21 Frame.